If you want to make money online, you have to be like this guy. You understand? So how you make money online is by offering services to people. So you can see here, this guy came to my DM on a Friday and said, "Good morning, sir. My name is George. I create business videos, adverts, or high engaging videos for business." You understand? So this guy renders video services and graphic designs, and literally came to my DM to offer me the service. I said, "Okay, that's lovely. Can I see your project?" So he now said, "Stay tuned. We will get back to you shortly." If you want to make money online, you must offer a product or a service. You understand? That is the best way to make money online as a beginner. So if you don't have money and you're just coming onto the internet space, learn to offer a service to people, and I'm going to show you how to do that here. Now the next question you ask is, Victor, how do I offer something of service and what should I offer as service? Right now in this video, I'm going to show you how to offer videos for people as service, just like this guy that I've shown you. So how do you do that? Let's say you're a complete beginner and you don't know video editing, you don't even have these skills, and you don't know what to do at all. This is how you do it. Now you go to this website called invideo.ai. So the link is going to be on the description of this video. So all you have to do is just to come here and join. Just tap on join. I already have an account, so let me just log in. This is how your interface is going to be like. So now the big question is, what do you do with this website? What do you do with this website? Let me explain. You use this website invideo.ai to create ads video for businesses, you understand, and then send it to them, right? You can now charge this business for creating this ad for them. Let me explain how you're going to do this. Now first of all, you have to look for this business and pitch your ideas for them, right? See, if you want to make money on the internet, you have to be willing to work. You have to be willing to work, right? So now let me show you how you're going to do this. Now the next thing I want you to do is to come to ChatGPT or go to any AI platform that you can write something and they give you results, right? Now I want you to write this. I want to pitch my video editing. I want to pitch my video editing services to businesses near me. Can you list 10 categories of businesses that needs my services? Good. So now let's enter and let's see 10 categories of businesses that will need our own services, right? So you can see ChatGPT has listed 10 categories of businesses, you understand? So now you see the next question to ask yourself is, out of all of these categories that AI has listed for me, which of them should I pick? You sit down and think. See, think well, think. Just sit down and think. Okay, now which of these businesses should I go for based on the category? Which of the categories, which of the businesses should I go and target? You understand? So now let's see. Let me just sit down and think. AI has not listed one business category here, and that is the fashion and beauty business. So something like salons and hairdressing, right? Something of that nature. So one thing that you can do now is to, let's say I just want to pick, let's say, salon, right? I'm just giving you this so that you can use AI to find out a lot of business depending on what you have interest in. You get? Now one thing I want you to do is to now come here. Let's say it's salon business that we want to target, so we can do salon near me. Yeah, literally go to your phone or your laptop and type salon near me. So now it's going to bring a lot of salons that are near you, right? It's going to bring a lot of salons that are near you depending on your area. So you can see this salon, this one, you can see this one, use precise location. Yes, you can just say use precise location, so that it's going to allow this time. So it's going to pick your own location. The reason why I'm saying you should use is easy for you to literally go to those physical business, you understand, and extra pitch what you said you're going to pitch to them. Or you can also book a meeting with this physical business. You can literally go to them. So let's just look for any of these businesses. Let's see. You can see it's even giving you like the businesses and stuff. This salon, let's tap on this spa and salon. So now what you're going to be looking out for is their details, right? You can see this number here. This number is what you're going to be looking out for. So you can literally copy this number and save it, right? Copy this number and save it on your phone, because you're going to use this number now to chat them up. Now another thing that you have to do now, because you're literally going into this business to help them out, to pitch your services to them, the easiest way you can do that is to let's look for maybe other, let's see, overview. Let's look for how we can contact them. No, we are looking for their like contact page, maybe on Instagram or whatsoever, where we can get to see what they are doing, to see certain things. Let's go to this one. Let's go to this down one and see. We're looking for where we could, like, Instagram. Good. So you can see this Instagram. So let's literally enter their Instagram to actually look for something. This is literally you being a business person online, like finding way and hustling to make money on the internet. So now you can see we are stocked with beautiful content and images that are here that we can use, right? You're stocked with images and content that we can literally use. So you can see all of these are materials that we can use to specifically target this business, this switch salon, right? So what can we do? We can download these images. So now if you want to download these images, to download this to use as a like resource, all you have to do is just to come here, or let's just tap on the video, tap on this share icon, Let's clicking share, and let's see if okay, because we are looking for the link. So you can do this on your phone. When you tap on share, or when you tap on this icon here, it's going to share on your own mobile phone. So you can just come here since it's system and then copy link. Good. So if you want to download this particular video, because we need this resource, right? For every business that you want to do, you have to really research on this business. You understand? If you want to work for them, you want to pitch your service to them. So now we have copied this. So we'll go to this website to download it. So you can come to this website, just type Instagram downloader on your Google. Now you come to this website called Snappinst. So now you come and paste the link here, right? The link you copied, and then tap on this download. You can do this on your mobile phone, please. There's no excuse. You can do this on your mobile phone. Exactly all these things I'm showing you here on the system, you can do it on your mobile phone. Just close this. You can see the video literally here. So you could just tap on download. Good. So you can see the video is downloading up here. Before the video finishes downloading, if you're here for the first time, my name is Victor and I make videos around making money online, AI, and affiliate marketing. If you're interested in this topic, subscribe to the channel, right? And like the video and share with your friends. Share with 5 people. Now pay attention, because I'm going to show you something that is very tricky here. So what you're going to do is to come back to this particular business that you've gotten, and then now copy the whole name, right? Copy it and go back to ChatGPT. Now see what you're going to come to ChatGPT and go and write. Now you say, write me a short video ad script for this salon called, and you now paste the salon that you've copied. You paste the salon name. So whatsoever business you have copied, you understand, you paste it. Now you know everything about salons, you know everything about the particular business that you've decided to work on. So be a content strategist and do something great, right? So now let's type on enter and see the script that this AI is going to write for us. So you can see here it's written every script. Now what you're going to do is now to copy this whole script and go back to that tool I told you about, that is in video. Now paste the script here that you've copied, right? So now now what you're going to do is now to just delete this down written word. What are you deleting? Let me show you what you're deleting. This particular one, this conclusion, right? This script keeps it engaging. That's what you have deleted. So now let's go back so you can see. So what you're going to do is now to generate video. Just tap on generate video. So we're going to wait for it to create and generate the whole video. See, if you're getting value from this, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with 5 friends, right? Share with 5 friends. So we're going to wait for it to analyze and create this whole ad video, right? Now it's going to bring us here. All we are going to do is just to tap on continue, and let's wait for it to finish analyzing and creating the whole video. Good. So the video is done, and let me show you. Let me just play the video so you can see the beauty. You don't even need to be like a video editor, and just look at what this tool has done.
Your hair tells your story, but when was the last time you gave it the love it deserves? At D_Switch Salon, we don't just style hair, we elevate your confidence. From bold color transformations to sleek cuts and nourishing treatments, we create looks that turn heads. Because when you look good, you feel unstoppable. Ready to switch things up? Visit D_Switch Salon and let's create magic together. Super book your glow up today.
So you can see that you have created like a product, you understand, for like you already created something that you can now exchange as value. Right now I'm going to show you something. See, when you create something like this, you don't need to go and start telling the business owners that this is what I can create and this is what I charge. No, you create something like this and just send it to them. I'm going to show you now. Now another thing you can do, remember we downloaded a video. Let me show you why we downloaded that video. Now you see the reason why we downloaded that video is because we want to include the video here, right? So I've just included the video here, and you can do that by coming to edit. You now tap on edit, and then you're now going to upload media. And tap on upload media is going to give you access to upload the video, right, that you downloaded. So the video of the business, download all the videos that you want to use as a sample, right, for the business. Right now, after you've done that, all you have to do is just to save changes and download. Just tap on download the whole video, right? So it's going to download the whole video you have just made. Now the next thing you're going to do is now go to the DM of this particular business that you have picked, that you want to like focus in pitching your product to. Right, so what you're going to do now is now come to ChatGPT. Actually, we're going to now work on the structure. I've already written this thing. So what you're going to do, go to ChatGPT and just write, now that I have made the ad video for this business, for the business for free, I want you to write me a short pitch. I can use to send the video, right, to this business, pitching if I can do more videos like this for them, right? Be persuasive and make it short. Now you can see this is a persuasive message that the ChatGPT has already written for us, and we can now copy these whole messages and then send it to the DMs of that particular business that you have picked. I hope you're following me. So you just forget about all this best name and all. Like, let's not be too formal. Let's not be too formal, right? Let's not be too formal. So you can just copy everything here. Hi business owner. So just copy it and then take it to the DM of this particular business, right? You just paste it. So here it says insert video. You don't need to like insert link. Let's just send the video. You understand? Send the video. So what you're going to do is hi, then the business that you've copied. So just copy the business that you are now targeting. Just copy it and then come here to the business owner. No, salon business owner. No, just highlight like this and then paste it. Then you're now going to send this and then now send the video to the business, right? Now let me ask you a question. So let's say you have a business, right? Or let's just say you have a business, right? If I create something for you for free and I bring it for you, like something that takes a lot of energy, a lot of resources, and I bring it for you, and I say that this is what I've done for you, right? And I can keep on doing this same thing for you. I can save you time, save you energy, save you a lot of resources, right? And create all of these things for you, right? A lot of businesses are looking for videos that can showcase their business. So if you can create a video ad for a business and send it to the business, you have more chance, you have higher chance to work with those businesses. So that's why you're taking time to do all of these things. If you got value from this video, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with 5 people, right? So see you guys in the next one. And that is how you make money on the internet. Please always think of exchanging something with someone or businesses. I've shown you how to get all these businesses categories of which one you believe or which one you think you can follow, right? So you don't have excuse. Please, I really want you to make money on the internet. See you in the next one. Bye for now.